The 2 Tyres Guide to the Pirelli Rosso 4. The Pirelli Rosso 4 is an excellent fast road tyre that's at home on track. Replacing the Rosso 3, the 4 isn't just an update, it's an all-new tyre. While the 3 was a decent sports tyre, the 4 is a cutting-edge tyre that's right at the sharp end. The revised profiles 8 the WSBK tyre to offer a larger contact patch at lean and more feel and outright grip. The Rosso 4 sits under the Rosso 4 Corsa, which itself sits under the Supercorsa SP in terms of track focus. However, if you're mainly sticking to the road, we think the Rosso 4 is a better option than the SP due to its faster warm-up and better performance across a range of conditions, especially in the wet. Plus, it'll wear a lot better than a Supercorsa SP. If you want a tyre to bring out the best in your performance bike's handling and your confidence, this is a great option. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tyre on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.